PTE. PTE stands for Pearson Test of English. It's a computer-based English proficiency test which assesses how well you can use English in real-life academic and professional setting. It assesses 4 core skills: your listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The test has 3 main parts: speaking and writing, listening, and reading. It takes around 2 hours to finish. Let's talk about the speaking section first. Speaking section is one of the important parts of the PTE test. In this section, you speak into the microphone and the computer scores your answer. It's not about your accent, but it's about how smoothly and naturally you speak. When PTE assesses your speaking, it looks at 3 things: your content, fluency, and pronunciation. We'll look at the first 2 criteria in this video. The first one, content. Content is about what you say, how you respond to the question given to you, whether your answer matches the question. Imagine you're given a chart or image. You should explain what it shows. If you miss a main point or explain something else, your content score drops. So always answer to the question and cover the key details. Next one is fluency. Fluency. Fluency is about how naturally you say. Again, it's not about accent or grammar. It's about the rhythm and flow of your speech. You don't need to rush, but you also shouldn't be sounding like you're reading word by word. It's about you sounding smooth and confident, just like how you would sound when explaining something to your friend. Imagine you made a grammar mistake. You don't have to stop and fix it because it's better to keep going than to stop and fix it. Again, fluency is not about grammar. It's about the flow of your speech. So, content is what you say, and fluency is how naturally you say. If you balance both, your speaking score will definitely improve. We'll talk about pronunciation in the next video and how that plays a big role in your overall PTE score. Hope that helps. Happy learning!